Hey, what's going on, AP World people? We are back with video number 3, Unit 1, Topic 1.3. This one is going to focus on Hinduism and Buddhism, especially in South and Southeast Asia. All right, let's start off talking about Hinduism. So Hinduism is a monistic belief system. This means that everything is created by one being. There is no single founder, but some key texts that you should be familiar with include the Vedas, which were written in Sanskrit, and the Upanishads are also found in the Vedas. Bhagavad Gita stressed doing one's duty, and we'll talk more about that when we get to the caste system. So some core beliefs you should be familiar with include multiple manifestations of Brahman. And Brahman is the one true God, takes on many forms, and is present in every person. Dharma is a term you should be familiar with. This is one's duty or the way of living. And doing good dharma will help end the cycle of rebirth or reincarnation. Karma helps determine one's caste. And reincarnation is when people are born in the next life until one is freed. So you are continually reborn until you are freed from the cycle of reincarnation. Moksha is the ultimate goal in Hinduism, and this ends the cycle of rebirth. So when moksha is attained, reincarnation will end. Let's talk about the Hindu caste system. We have the Brahmins. This is the priestly caste. They're at the top. Underneath them, we have the Kshatriyas, who are the warrior class. Then the Vaishyas, who are the merchants and artisans. The Shudras are the peasants and serfs. The Dalits are untouchables. And the Jatis are subcastes that have developed over time. And India has banned discrimination based on caste. So India in recent years has banned discrimination based on this caste system. All right, jumping over to Buddhism. This was founded by Buddha or Siddhartha Gautama in India. This was a reaction to Vedic or Hindu beliefs. Buddha rejected the religious authority of Brahmins. It was not focused on the existence of God, and this also challenged the Hindu caste system, and anyone could achieve enlightenment. Some core beliefs you should be familiar with. We have karma, which will influence rebirth, reincarnation. Meditation is a popular aspect of Hinduism, and nirvana, this is where one could achieve enlightenment and end the cycle of rebirth in Buddhism. Four Noble Truths and Eightfold Path make up a significant importance in Buddhism. Four Noble Truths include their suffering in life. Suffering comes from selfish desire. Ending suffering will achieve nirvana, and follow the Eightfold Path. So what is Eightfold Path, you ask? Well, it includes the right view, right resolve, right speech, right conduct, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, right samadhiya, which is meditative consciousness, always essentially taking the right view of things in life. Over time, Buddhism will branch into many schools. We have Mahayana Buddhism in India, and we have Bodhisattvas, who are people who delayed entrance into nirvana to help others. So these are people who are close to attaining nirvana, but will delay this in order to help other humans. Buddhism will spread throughout Asia, especially under the leadership of the Mauryan leader Ashoka from the early century CE, and through missionaries and merchants. Buddhism will spread, as will Christianity. So it's a similarity between Buddhism and Christianity. Educational institutions will also play a role that will promote Buddhism's teachings, and some Buddhists practiced a monastic life, again similar to Christianity. You have people who devoted themselves to the study of Buddhism. Think Buddhist monks. So some South and Southeast Asia kingdoms you should be familiar with. We have the Srivijaya, was a powerful state in Southeast Asia, and they had a powerful navy and controlled commerce, and the kings were committed to Buddhism. So we'll see Buddhism spread in Southeast Asia. And they will build Buddhist sculptures, which will increase the amount of followers of Buddhism. Jumping over to the Khmer Empire, they are influenced by both Buddhism and Hinduism, and they added Buddhist temples in the 12th century CE. All right, quick recap. Hinduism, key text, dharma, karma, reincarnation, the caste system. For Buddhism, no, it's a reaction to Hinduism, the Eightfold Path, meditation, nirvana, Four Noble Truths, and spread throughout Asia and how it changed. And it's a monastic life for some, like Christianity. All right, guys, look forward to see you back here for video number 4, unit number 1, topic 1.4. We are going to jump over to the Americas, specifically Central and South America. Thanks for watching. Best of luck on all your exams this year, and have a good day.